welcome back to my vegan kitchen. I've got a great recipe for you today for baba ganoush. We can all agree that we love hummus.
Yes.
It's light.
We agree.
It's delicious, it's creamy, it's wonderful. But this is eggplant hummus. It's something a little different. Sometimes you just want a little something different. This is very, very simple. I know you're gonna love it. And it's simple, so let's get started.
Eggplant emoji.
So we've got an eggplant here. I guess this is like a large-ish eggplant. So we're just gonna cut the little hat off. Oh no, I hope you don't get a head cold. And cut the little thing off. I like, you know, you probably don't even have to cut it off just now, but I just don't like it on there. We're gonna split this down the middle. We're gonna put it on our parchment paper over here. I've got my toaster heating up to 375. We're gonna pop this in for about half an hour until it gets nice and soft at 375, and then we'll come back. All right, so the eggplant has come out of the oven. It was in about 35 minutes. I let it cool off so I wouldn't burn my hands during this part. That's pretty smart, right?
That's a good idea.
So you just peel the outer skin off. It should come off pretty easily. If some stays on, you can just very simply, you know, get it off the skin. We want to make sure that we get all of the eggplant off. It's going to be kind of stringy. This dish is going to have a little bit of a texture to it. You don't want it too smooth anyway. So let me just get all of this goodness off of here, and then we'll finish up with all the rest of the ingredients. All right, in the bowl already at the bottom, I measured out 2 tablespoons of tahini. And I'm just going to take a fork and mash the eggplant so that it's not too stringy. You don't want it to be like pudding, but then again, you don't want it to be so chunky and stringy that you go to pick something up and it's going to be like alien guts. So just make sure it's nice. Only a few more ingredients. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon. 1, 2. We're going to add 2 cloves of garlic. This is like a mega clove of garlic, so I'm counting that as 2. It barely even fits in the garlic press. If you don't have a garlic press, just totally like make garlic paste. You know how to do that. You just mince it like crazy. Oh, that smells so amazing already.
Yes, it does.
Right? Then we're just gonna do salt to taste. I don't want it to be too salty. This is probably like a quarter of a I'm probably gonna put like half a teaspoon of salt and just a little bit of cumin, just to bring out that eggplant, that Mediterranean eggplant flavor. That really helps enhance it. All right, so let me get this all mashed up and we'll be ready to serve. All right, there it is. I garnished it with a little bit of fresh parsley. Some people, yeah, tiny breads. Some people like to put a little splash of olive oil on the top. If you're oil free, it's totally not necessary. It's totally not necessary. All right, so Maddie's here to taste. Have you ever had baba ganoush before?
I think so.
Yeah, you must have, right?
I don't remember what it tastes like, but I feel like I've had it.
It tastes amazing.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
Right?
That is so good.
That's like up in the hummus game.
Oh my god, yeah.
It's very
not a double dip.
It's very decadent.
Oh, that garlic.
Right?
The fresh garlic.
It's very decadent, very full-bodied, I guess is a good way to the cumin is just a little bit, not too much.
No, this is perfect. Try it. I want the whole thing.
I know, right? I love baba ganoush on a pita bread with you know, some salad.
Oh, that's perfect.
Just enough. Love it. All right, before I dive into that bowl.
Right? I'm going back for more.
This was day 8?
9.
This was day 9 of Veganuary. I can't remember anymore. That's so good. Give it a thumbs up if you like this type of video. If you're enjoying Veganuary, Make sure you hit the subscribe button for all of the Veganuary videos. Hit the bell so that you're notified. And until next time, much love.